Hey guys, it's Tyler, lead formulator here at Peregrine, and we're talking about our pomades. Let's get into it. Our matte paste is a great higher hold option for people who are looking to give their hair a little bit more strength and structure, and has a nice matte finish to boot. Our matte paste is great for people who are looking for a little bit more volume and structure, and the result is a re-stylable pomade that gives a nice matte modern finish. To use this one, scoop a small amount of the pomade into the palm of your hand and rub your hands together to distribute it evenly through your hair. If you apply the matte paste wet, it will give a slightly higher shine. It's definitely not going to be a shiny finish, but compared to applying it dry, which gives a totally matte finish, you have a little bit of flexibility there. The standout ingredients in our matte paste, especially compared to our cream pomade, have to be the clays. The blend of microclays that we use help the pomade to give your hair a little bit more strength and structure without being crunchy or greasy or anything like that. It's a very natural finish, and like we said before, is re-stylable, which is a great bonus as compared to products that just rely on synthetic fixatives to hold your hair in place.